Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the essentials: title, a concise abstract, and 4-6 keywords that reflect your core contribution. Once done, open Elsevier Journal Finder and paste the title and abstract into the input boxes. Make sure to choose the nearest discipline filters to narrow results. Then set preferences like open access or desired impact range and click Find Journals. This immediate action establishes the search signal. It tells the tool what to prioritize so you can move to detailed selection. You now evaluate each suggested journal with a critical eye. Look at the aims and scope, sample recent titles, and the match score the tool provides. These explain why a journal fits. Once you have a short list, compare impact metrics and any reviewer or editorial notes, and make sure to check submission guidelines and APCs. Open several journal pages in tabs to compare side by side. Then rank candidates by fit and practical factors like turnaround time so you can pick a top choice. You finish by tailoring your cover letter and making small edits to title or abstract to better match the chosen journal's scope. This increases editorial interest. Then submit through the journal's submission portal and note the manuscript ID and any reviewer guidance. If your paper is returned for scope reasons or low match, revise keywords and the abstract and rerun the Finder to get new suggestions. If confusion persists, contact the editorial office to clarify fit. This troubleshooting step often resolves mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.